Hello children of class 8. Coming back to literature class. From today onwards, you are going to have your second unit test syllabus started. I'll start with the first lesson, lesson 7, Cranes for Sadako. It's a nice story. It's a story about a girl who has a belief that how many cranes she'll prepare, she'll be fine, as she was suffering from sickness. So let's read what the story is telling about. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights UDHR is a milestone of document in the history of human right. Human right की history में it's a milestone मतलब यादगार যেটাকে আমরা মনে রাখি এরকম একটা document UDHR drafted by representative with different legal and cultural backgrounds from all regions of world. World এর সমস্ত অন্যান্য রিজিয়নের বিশাল বড় ব্যাকগ্রাউন্ড এইটা It is in Paris. It's a United Nations General Assembly. It is in Paris. In the 10th December 1948 is a common standard of achievement of all people and nations. It got its declaration on 10th December 1948 in Paris. It was set out for the first time that fundamental human right must be universally protected. Fundamental human right যেগুলো আছে ওগুলোকে universally protect করার দরকার. According to this declaration, humans all over the world have certain fundamental right. এই ডিক্লারেশনের অনুযায়ী সারা বিশ্বে যতগুলো human beings-রা আছে they should get a fundamental right for their protection and safety so that they can lead a secured life. Like right to life, right to education, right to own property. You all know pretty well how many fundamental rights we are having. So it was the introduction of the part. Now we are coming to the main story. On 6th August 1945, the world witnessed the highest number of deaths on a single day in a man-made disaster in history. 6th August 1945 সব থেকে বেশি ডিজাস্টার হয়েছিল হিস্ট্রিতে উই আর হ্যাভিং এ রেকর্ড এবং সেটা ম্যান মেড ডিজাস্টার মানুষের দ্বারা তৈরি অন দিস ডে দ্য ইউনাইটেড স্টেটস ড্রপড a nuclear bomb on Hiroshima and 3 days later another one on Nagasaki, which led to the eventual surrender of Japan and an ignominious end to the Second World War. When the Second World War was going on, তখন একটা খুব রোমহর্ষক very what should I say, very devastating, or rather very pathetic situation or incident took place. That was bomb blasting, a sudden bomb blasting on Hiroshima and Nagasaki, two places in Japan where people died. Huge number of people died because of this sudden blasting of bomb, and so there ended. That was the reason for the stop of Second World War. Otherwise the war was going on. At midnight on January 7th 1943, a Japanese family, the Sasakis of the Sasaki barber shop, had a girl. She was named Sadako. 7th January 1943 এর ঘটনাটা এবার আমরা বলছি. This was the situation which took place, disaster that took place. আর এরকম ডিজাস্টার এরকম একটা ফ্যামিলিতে হয়েছিল তখন what was their reaction, how did they react and how did they protect themselves? Let's see. 7th January 1943 তে একটা জাপানি ফ্যামিলিতে দ্য সাসাকিস, টাইটেল ওয়াজ সাসাকি, হ্যাঁ সেখানে তাদের একটা বারবার শপ ছিল. বারবার মিন্স যারা চুল কাটে. তাদের একটা মেয়ে ছিল হুজ নেম ওয়াজ সাদাকো. সাদাকো ওয়াজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য গার্ল. Sadako's father Shigeo had joined the military service and was assigned to the army hospital in Hiroshima. Hiroshima te, because of this bomb blasting, he had been in Hiroshima, and there he had to live a very pathetic, painful life he was releasing, and he was admitted in the hospital. 6th August 1945 was a dark day for Japan and the world. 6th August 1945, just now I have told you, it was a very dark day for the world because of that sudden bomb blasting that took thousands and thousands of people's life. They were really, they had a helpless death. They could not, they were not known that they're going to die. Now you can say that none of us get ourselves known that we are going to die. That's true. लेकिन अचानक से ऐसे bomb blasting means what? People एक peaceful life they were leading and suddenly they got struck up with a bomb. And so the first use of a nuclear weapon in a war against civilian population took place when an atomic bomb was dropped. अचानक से एक एटॉमिक बॉम्ब का ड्रॉपिंग हुआ और बहुत सीवियर एक सिचुएशन अराइज हुई. इट वॉज अ हॉट समर मॉर्निंग व्हेन इट हैपेंड. जिस वक्त ये घटना घटी दैट वॉज अ हॉट समर मॉर्निंग. गर्मी का टाइम था, सुबह का टाइम था. On August 6th, the air raid sirens surrounded as usual. चारों तरफ सायरन बज रहा था क्योंकि bomb blasting was going on and people were getting the notifications that please don't come out of your house. And so the blasting was as because the bombs are falling down. But after 7 a.m. there was an all clear announcement and people stepped out. और सुबह 7 बजे के बाद सबने कहा कि no, there is nothing to be scared of. You can go out for your work. Sadako, her grandmother, her mother and brother Masahiro were having breakfast. They were having their breakfast और Sadako, उसकी grandmother, उसके mother, उसका भाई breakfast कर रहे थे. Then all of a sudden there was a blinding flash and thunderous blast. अचानक उन लोगों ने एक बहुत बड़ा फ्लैश देखा. लाइट. अचानक तुम्हारे सामने अगर कुछ ब्लास्ट हो तो कैसा लगेगा? द वॉल्स collapsed. अचानक से दीवारें गिरने लगी. दे मैनेज टू गेट अप एंड रश आउट ऑफ द रिवर आउटसाइड. वो जल्दी जल्दी कमरे से घर से बाहर निकले और रिवर में जाके उन्होंने छलांग लगा दी. In the middle of the rush, the grandmother decided to return to the house to retrieve something that was the last time they saw her. और अचानक उसकी ग्रैंडमदर को याद आया कि अरे मुझे तो घर से ये चीज़ लानी है. एंड शी केम आउट ऑफ द वाटर एंड शी रिटर्न टू द हाउस टू टेक समथिंग एंड गेट बैक. बट शी नेवर केम बैक. दैट वॉज द लास्ट टाइम शी वॉज सीन. So this is the point where I am stopping now. Go through this part. I'll continue in my next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.